I did not stream today, but I did take a loss. I'm gonna show it to you right here. So right now, this is where my account is currently at. I'm currently on a losing streak right now. I lost my past 4 trades, but because of my risk management, the trade that does go for a runner should bring me back significantly because I've been managing my risk fairly good. So that's that. Now, let me break down this trade to you today. Why I took it. So today, this basically is like a market breakdown, trade breakdown. So as you can see right here, on the 1 minute, the market was a little bit choppy today, and well, in the morning it was a little bit choppy. It was consolidating, but then when we started breaking out and going and heading to the upside, the reason why I took this long, I'm gonna show you why I took this long. So we broke. So we was rejecting this level right here, bottom wick and bottom wick. I'm like rejecting the top of the 5-minute opening range like this. And what I saw was right here. I'm gonna show you right here on Bookmap. We had a lot of passive sellers there at that top of that opening range level right here that I was just showing you, right? So I was thinking, all right, if we could hold this, like I was thinking, well, I was reading the market. I just want to see how everything played out for a little bit, and then once I saw us clear above it, and it wasn't, and then we was right here on the, you can see right here on the SVP, we had a positive green delta, and it wasn't underwater. Like these people's orders weren't underwater. I thought the aggressive participants overpowered the passive participants, right? And not only that, but let me bring this up right here. Not only that, but then as you can see, after I saw that, and then I started looking at price action, I was like, all right, what is price action doing? And what price action was doing was we formed this this doji candle holding these top wicks. So I was thinking, all right, we could go long. The only thing was we were at the 200 EMA, but I caught a trade earlier this month where we overtook the 200 EMA. So I thought we was gonna clear the 200 EMA, but then what happened was we hit the 200 EMA exactly, and then sold off. Therefore, these passive sellers who got in aggressively here, and you can see they got in aggressively. If I zoom in, I'm gonna show you. You'd have to. It was real quick. I saw it happen in real time. Like right here, look. I think it was right here. There was a flux of orders that came in right here. See, we was trading right here, and then boom, a whole bunch of passive limit orders came in. So when I saw that and I saw we overtook it, I was like, all right, and I was like, all right, maybe I'm gonna go for the break and retest, and then, but the position ended up, turning against me, and then we proceeded after that to sell off the whole day. So I mean, if I would have took this short, this could have been that would have been a great trade actually if I would have took that short. But that's not how the trade played out today. This was a level I was looking at. I did want to go long from this level, so maybe I could have been more patient today and waited till we came to this level right here. I'm gonna have to look at how the order flow looked and how what I could have caught if I traded this position. I mean, this would have been a small little position, but yeah. So that's basically how the trade played out today. But yeah. So I just want to keep it real with you guys, show you guys where I'm out in my trading. And right now I'm currently green. I have to make $2,500 to pass. This is how my month went. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So far, this is how everything is looking right now, and I just have to continue to manage my risk properly. And yeah, so that was how today's market played out. Oh, also another reason why I got into the trade. Let me show you the sectors. So when I got in, another thing that gave me conviction to go long was we were starting. XLF was starting to break above the 200 EMA. you know, and then XOK was already above the 200 EMA. XOY was already above the 200 EMA, and then XLF was proceeding to break above. So we broke above on that 10:12 a.m. 1 minute candle. So that already gave me like conviction, like, yo, I wanted to take this long. Or I don't know when I got into the position, but like I saw us heading above 200 EMA. So all the stars were green, everything was looking good, but ended up not working out today. But the thing is, we still live to trade another day. My head is still above water, you know, and with good risk management, coming back from these little losses will be nothing. So that was my trade for today. That was my trade breakdown for today and what I did today. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, and yeah.